Welcome everybody! Finally we have some color! Finally we have some color in the game. I've been looking forward to play this one. Hello Levy, you are first indeed. Hello Midna, and Beaver is always about the cheese. Welcome everybody! I'm excited to play this one. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, let's go. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Is the stream okay? Can you hear the game? Can you hear me? Everything fine? Yeah? No? Maybe? Alright, let's go. Oh, I need to switch the Pokédex on my Cerebi.net. So now we're playing that one. Okay. Everything is good, according to Beaver. Hey, Toby, welcome! Welcome your face, my friend. New game, here we go. I always think of him as sleeping at this moment. Oh, wow, he really was sleeping. You woke me up. Will you check the clock for me? What time is it? Alright, let's set the time in real time. 1:13 AM right now, so... no, night. Night. Oh, okay. 1 o'clock. Yes. And how many minutes? 1:13. Yes. No wonder it's so dark. Hello, sorry to keep you waiting. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. Oh, this kid is lazy if he wants his mom to check the timer. I know, right? My name is Oak. People call me the Pokemon Prof. This world is inhabited by creatures that we call Pokemon. People and Pokemon live together by supporting each other. Some people play with Pokemon, some battle with them. But we don't know everything about Pokemon yet. There are still many mysteries to solve. Are we going back to Pokemon giveaways? Yes, I'm gonna do one later this month. I will, definitely. Speaking of legendaries, I'm supposed to get a Cerebi before buying this game. I need to check my email. I think it's in my email. I don't know. Hang on a sec, because there's a little black bar at the top and it's bothering me. Hold on, let me see if I can fix that real quick. Maybe like that. We'll see. Oh, pointer's showing. Never mind. Okay, so V-Force here. Ah, so lucky. What kind of storming now? So my rifle might die any second. Oh no, V-Force, no. So what did you say your name was? This won't be a very long stream like the one before, so it's gonna be a moderate stream. The target is to get a Pokemon or two and maybe one badge. VLOGGY. End. Vloggy, are you ready? I've been ready since Red, my friend. Your very own Pokemon stories about it has already unfolded. I'm starting a new one. Here we go. Ah, color. Ah, color. Let's go. Oh, Vloggy. Our neighbor, Professor Elm, was looking for you. He said he wanted to do something for him. Okay. My only laptop is the HP Chromebook, so it's good. It's good. Hey, Indigo! Yes, Indigo is a color. Oh, I almost forgot. I love this part. This is back from the repair shop. Here you go. Receipt Pokegear. Check this out. The day of the week. So I'm looking at chat. I'm wondering if that's Indigo's way of asking for mod. You mustn't forget that. What day is it? Today is Friday. It's Friday. Yes. Is it daylight saving time? I don't know. I'm gonna say yes. DST? I don't know. Come home to adjust your clock for daylight saving time. By the way, do you know how to use the phone? You will say yes, and she will tell you how to use it anyway. Look. Don't you just turn on the Pokemon? Hey, Keen is here! But why did it ask me? It asked me what, because it got blocked, so I had to unblock your comment. Keen, hello! Welcome! What start there will be? It's a surprise, Levy. It's a surprise, my friend. Alright, so she's just rambling on. That music though. I'm doing great. I'm excited to play this game as if it's my first time playing it. I love how this guy kicks you. Look, he's gonna kick me. So, this is the famous Elm Pokemon Lab. What are you staring at? He kicked me. He sent me two blocks back. Anyhow. Na, 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 na. Vloggy, there you are. I need to ask you a favor. I have an acquaintance called Mr. Pokemon. Seriously, his surname is Pokemon. Okay. He keeps finding weird things and raving about his discoveries. Anyway, I just got back an email from him saying that this time is real. This is intriguing, but we're busy with our Pokemon research. Could you look into it for us? I'll give you a Pokemon for a partner. They're all rare Pokemon. Rare Pokemon. Rare Pokemon, my butt. Go on, pick one. Which one will it be? Will it be this one? Will it be this one? Yes, it is! Yes, it is! That is my first Pokemon. And I'm gonna update real quick the artwork. Hold on. That's it's so hard. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. I need to find the folder. Hold on. I chose a Totodile. Come on, Totodile, where are you? There you are. There he is. There he is. Boom. Why'd you go up there, man? Come over here. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. My little Totodile. Oh, he's so adorable. There's my baby Totodile. There he is. So yeah, I chose the Totodile. I love my Totodile. Give a nickname? No, I never nicknamed them. Never. This one lives near Cherry Grove, next city. It's almost the dark route. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. If your Pokemon's injured, okay. Bye, have a great time. Crocodile. Why don't they have color in the photos? What photos? So when I was a kid, when I used to play this as a kid, alright, what about the sound? What's going on with the sound? Is everything okay with the sound? Hey, Quilava's here! Hey, what's up, people I don't know? Oh man, Quilava the Savage. I like your username. And JM Vaporeon, hello. Shmore raid, what's going on? Really? Did I get raided? There's people that I never met in my chat. Welcome everybody. Yes, we are being raided. There's Quilava and there's that gibberish rapping dog and JM Vaporeon. Nice to see you all. Apparently a Shmo raid and Clint Gaming. Hey, whoever this Shmo is, thank you so much. Chocolate Waffle, Tanner, look at everybody. Everybody's showing up. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the stream. I just started Pokemon Silver. Just came out on the 3DS today, I think. Today, yes. And just like Indigo said, welcome Raiders, you found Vloggy, our sexy Mario voice. It's me, Mario. Oh. Yeah, got a subscriber. Thank you so much, Chocolate Waffle. Thank you so much for subscribing. So yeah, where was I? I'm getting distracted with all the awesome people. I don't think I said hello to Vinny. Hello Vinny, welcome. And thank you for subscribing, Quilava. So, where was I? I love this music. And here we go, our first Pokemon battle. I love you. Thank you for subscribing, Clint. Don't die. I cannot do a Totodile, I'm sorry. I tried. Hey, there's Joe Schmo Gaming. That's the person who was playing a game and raided me. Welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for the raid. What were you playing? Ah, you were Nuzlocking White. Okay. I haven't played White in ages. But I plan on playing all of them. I'm starting from the very beginning. I just finished Red a couple of hours ago, and now I started Silver. Yes, it just came out on the 3DS eShop. Yes, Kulava. Yes. And now, and that's why I just finished Red, because now I can transfer my Pokemon from Red to this. You know, everything legit. That's why I'm so excited. It's not expensive as well, so... This music though. Can I pick this up? It's a berry. It's so nice to see Pokemon in color. I was so tired of playing Red. Everything was black and white. So if you're into Pokemon, if you love Pokemon, I do giveaways. Every now and then I do a giveaway. I give shiny starters, and I'm gonna start doing legendaries as well. So if you love Pokemon, and I can give away some awesome Pokemon every now and then. Thank you so much, Joe. Thank you so much for the raid. Thank you so much for hanging out, and bon appetit. Here we go. I love my Totodile. Uh-oh. Ah, okay, he had the berry on him. That's good. It's not about subs, Indigo. It's not about subs, it's never about subs. It's about retention. It's about retaining your audience. Da, 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 da. I need to check out JOHTO actually. There's Oak. Let me try doing a good impression of Oak. Aha, so you're Vloggy. I am Oak, a Pokemon researcher. No, I'm sorry, I cannot do it. Hey, Bill is here! Oh my god, why is this happening again? Why is this happening again? Oh, Bill. Welcome, Bill. Bill was the one actually guiding my way through Pokemon Red. I see. Oh my goodness, Oak rambles a lot. Hey Jordan, thank you so much for subscribing. Can you take my place? I don't want to go on a lake. I don't like going out either. I'm more of an indoor person. Is he gonna heal my Pokemon? Yes. Bling, blim, blim, blim. Yeah, but also, instead of guiding me, he was doubting my Pokemon. He was like, you have a terrible team, you're not gonna make it. Boop, boop. Let's go. One question, VloggyBuddy. What Pokemon are you gonna catch for your team? I want to know, I'm curious. No, I never tell what Pokemon I have in mind. No, never, never, never. It's always a surprise. Even my starter. I don't know if you were here for just the starter. But, always like the element of surprise. I like surprising the audience. I don't know. I don't like saying what I'm gonna catch. I already have a couple of Pokemon in mind. I can't imagine playing Johto without having these Pokemon, so... Yeah, everybody was like, which starter are you gonna choose? No, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you. I don't like saying what I'm gonna get. I like the element of surprise. No problem, Chocolate. Take your time. Let's go. Bum, bum, bum. Nah, I'm not gonna catch Vulpix, no. It's not my Pokemon. Not my Pokemon. I do, however, need a fire type. I am gonna need a fire type. Hey, Kingdom in the house! Hey, Kingdom, how are you? And level 7. The Learned Rage. Okay. Thank you. Really? Is it that good? Is there like 0 stream delay? Is it really that good? I like that. That's what I always aim for. Confirmed, Stalker is very unforgiving. What do you mean? You mean like very hard, eh? How are you, Jack? Nice to see you, buddy. Whoa! Is it really that real time? I was trying to go for... I was trying to go for like 0 latency, but there's always like 3 or 2 seconds latency. Alright, so, Pokemon. Our first... I didn't heal, I walked in and I didn't heal. What was I thinking? Blim, 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 blim. Oh, real quick, I need to check something, because I need to transfer the Pokemon from Pokemon Red. I need to transfer the Pokemon from Pokemon Red. To do that... I need to see if it's active. Hold on. I think this is it. This is the time capsule or something. Why do I talk to the old guy? He's gonna show me around. I don't want him to show me around. It's being adjusted. Alright, so it's not available yet. Sakura's in the house! Hey Sakura, how are you? How are you, Sakura? Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. I missed you! I'm gonna talk to the old man because he wants me to talk to him. He's just gonna show me around. I don't feel like it, but this is for Bill. Ding ding dong. What? What's he doing? I can tell you, that's okay. If you like, I can teach you a few things. Sure, teach me a few things. Come on. Yes, Whitney is always tough to beat. Yes. I love this game so much. Sometimes I beat her right away, sometimes I don't. It depends on the Pokemon that you have, really. Alright, so he gave me the map card. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, rollout wipes your team, exactly. How are you, Sakura? How have you been? Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes! What a waste! A wimp like you? Now, the first time I ever played this, I also called this guy Russell. Should I do that again? Oh, you've been sick! Sorry to hear. Come on, you need to get your health back. You need to be fully recovered for Comic-Con. Wants to battle. He has a Chikorita. Chica! Use that scratch, baby. Our Comic-Con here in Malta is in December. His Pokemon is always stronger. Exactly, no, he always chooses the stronger type, yes. If I chose Cyndaquil, he would have chosen Totodile. He always gives me the type disadvantage. Bing! Level 8. Yes, please, Sakura. I want to see. I want to see. I love Johto as well. This is my favorite region. My name is... Crocodile. Crocodile. Shall I heal? Shall I heal? Do I need to heal? No. Nuzlocks are for pros. I'm not a pro, so I'm not gonna do a Nuzlock. Okay. No, I don't like nicknaming the Pokemon. Never. Okay, no problem, Sakura. TYT. And it's been a while since I streamed at this hour, eh? It's been a while since I streamed at night. I love streaming at night. Let's go. So Rival's name, I'm gonna call him Russell again. Why not? Your previous comment, please. So, in the last 25 minutes, I died about 6 times, but as the meme goes, such is the life in the zone. Sorry, Jack. I keep missing your comment. I don't know why. And you're in blue, so I should notice your comment more, because you stick out. Sorry about that. So Russell was his name. But it's not easy to stream and pay attention to chat. Huh? I mean, you need to have the attention of a... I'm gonna give him the egg now. Alright, let's go. This guy always interrupts me. Can you run in this game? I don't think you can run in this game, eh? Not yet. Again, if you intend to get the game Vloggy, here's another tip. F6 and F7. Oh yeah, that's the final trainer. Quilava, you're talking about that's the final trainer. This is gonna teach me how to catch Pokemon. I wish they released Crystal. They only released Gold and Silver. Oh, fine then. Anyway, if you want to catch Pokemon, you have to walk a lot. You can tell him no? I had no idea you could tell him no. Oh, I just realized my Totodile is a female. I wanted Totodile to be a male. Ah, well. F6 isn't quick saving. Oh, a quick load. Ah, okay. I wanted my Totodile to be a male. Ah, whatever. YouTube has been acting up lately because they introduced a couple of new features, and obviously till everything settles down, there will always be some bugs and some things. Like for instance, what I'm doing right now, my streaming is almost zero latency. With almost zero latency, it's working, but sometimes it buffers for people randomly. Bedtime for Bill? Oh, don't mess this up, man. I won't. Thank you so much for hanging out, Bill. I'll see you next time. Good night. Yeah, I love using ultra low latency as well. I miss the DVR where you can rewind and stuff. It's a feature that I'll miss, but I prefer having low latency. Grenades are silver, but medkits are golden. That means the game is very hard. What you're saying is that the game... I don't like games very hard. Alright. You're leaving Indigo as well? Vloggy, I will be using OBS. I got the capture. You're seriously? Oh, seriously? Oh, that is awesome. You're gonna be streaming like a pro as well. Sakura's gonna be a professional streamer as well. Yes! Come to the streamer side. That is awesome. Should I go heal? I'm gonna go heal because I'm gonna fight some Pokemon trainers now. Yes, you're gonna be a streamer 100%. You bought a capture card. You bought equipment to start streaming. Okay, so that makes you a professional streamer now. Exactly, we're gonna do hot pepper thing. That's gonna be hilarious. Are we gonna play Uno one of these days? We need to play Uno. I bet you didn't see that one, this one coming. I bet you didn't see this one coming. Come on, you're mine, you're mine. Ta-da! My second Pokemon. There he is. He looks a bit too fat. Let's just... There we go. There he is. My second Pokemon. Vloggy, I can make you graphics for any series that you do. I'm a graphic... Seriously? Okay, Tanner. I'll keep you in mind because I'm looking for somebody that can make a new profile picture for my YouTube. You know, my avatar, whatever you want to call it. Display picture, whatever you want to call it. How are we gonna do Uno? We need to figure out how to play Uno together. Or something like poker. Strip poker. Me and Sakura with face cam. Oh my goodness. That'll be hilarious. Hoot Hoot, the owl Pokemon. It has a perfect sense of time. Whatever happens, it keeps rhythm by precisely tilting its head in time. And now I have a Hoot Hoot. I bet you didn't see that one coming, huh? 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 Yeah. Why not, Gulava? Why not? You should stream, Jackhammer. I want to see that. Alright, so I'm gonna switch Pokemon now because Hoot Hoot needs some training. Hoot Hoot! I love Hoot Hoot. He's nothing special really as a Pokemon, but still. I love him. I think he's cute. I'm gonna run. Time to battle some Pokemons. You're gonna have all three starters? I could do that if I wanted, but nah. I wanna play it legit. I could do that if I wanted as well. What I'll be doing once the time capsule is enabled in this game, I'm gonna transfer my Pokemon from red to here. And I have a Dratini that could be continued trained, basically. Alright, so youngster Joey sent out. Ratata. You're new to the Stalker franchise. I would love to see that. I would check out your channel. I wanna, if it's the public, the video. Oh, you didn't stream it, even if you did manage to stream it, you said. Oh, sorry, I thought you said you streamed it. I wouldn't be able until I have picked up the pace. That's fine, it's nice to watch somebody play a game not knowing what they're doing. That's part of the fun as well. Wait, you look weak, you got this. Yeah, I know, right? Because this guy has no idea, I just came from Kanto. And I'm a pro, 100% GG. So when I was a kid and I used to play this game, alright, I would have just finished red. And I used to feel so superior because I'm a Pokemon Pro basically. And then I start this game, and I have no Pokemon, nothing. And I used to be like, but I have a Team Encanto. So I used to pretend like Team Rocket stole my Pokemon. I'm starting over again. That's why I have baby Pokemon once again. This time I don't have to pretend like Team Rocket stole my Pokemon, because I am gonna get them. Hey, Ivan, welcome. Level 3. Level 9. Because you have a team, you have a very strong team, and then you have to start over here. And I couldn't transfer them because I used to emulate the game back in my day. There was no way to transfer them. So I used to pretend like Team Rocket stole my Pokemon, so I'm starting over. That's why I'm a noob again in this region. You going to Comic-Con in December, Vloggy? Yes, he is. Hides behind the tree because of Vloggy. But why? Then you have to battle me. Dum, 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 dum. If I get one badge, I'll be happy today in this stream. Pidgey. Pidgey looks like a chicken. Alright, can I take him on? I don't want to risk it. Pictures, definitely. Definitely, Sakura, definitely. Did I not show you pictures from last year's Comic-Con? But if I had to tell other game as realistic as Stalker, the only match I would be Arma. Oh, okay. Also, I like shorts. Alright, so I'd love to take him on. I am gonna. Uh-oh. Maybe I shouldn't. Critical. Come on, we're gonna do this. Oh, come on! Oh, man, that's ass! That is ass. I'm gonna have my revenge on you. That was cheap. That was very cheap. I don't like doing Nuzlocke now. Is this Game Boy? Well, it came out on the Game Boy, but I'm playing it on the 3DS. It came out today on the 3DS, on the eShop. So technically, it's a new release. It just came out. It depends on the region, probably. It's probably already tomorrow here. Look, it's 1! Welcome! What's your language, Loggy? Because I said ass. Can I take him out? Can I take him out? There we go. I don't think she's a trainer. There we go. That crocodile is called Totodile, actually. That crocodile is called Totodile. And he is cute. He's my Pokemon. This one. And once again, I won't be evolving my Pokemon until they learn their very last move. I remember Croc, yeah, but Croc was green. I remember Croc. Croc needs a remake. We got Crash Bandicoot remake, we need Spyro remake, and we need Croc. Instead of a bug Pokemon, I found a trainer. Oh, Caterpie looks cute. Can I take him out? Come on. Was it really? Oh, interesting. I cannot capture it, Sakura, because this one belongs to a trainer. This is not wild. I'm gonna have to use a berry, I think. Another one. I may have to heal again. No, I never had that moment. Never had that moment, Kulava. Another one! Good one. That's funny. Another one! Get down! Nice one. Nice one! Oh man. Okay, potion. Use. Another pipe! I miss playing RE5. No. Have we played RE5, you and me? No, we only played RE6. We need to play some more RE, yeah? It's been a while. We still need to finish Ada's campaign, you're right. You are right, miss. Alright, it's over. Should I go heal? Yeah, let's go heal, why not? Okay, time to close down the bar. What bar? You own a bar, Juan? You own a bar? I'll be your favorite customer. I haven't had a drink in a while. I need a drink. If I go to Juan's bar, I'll never see it. Why not? Why not? You'll be kept hostage. Are you that pretty? No? I don't know. I'm not gonna bother. Na 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 na. Oh my goodness, I thought the game froze. Hello? Vloggy! I heard from Prof. Elm that you went on a long trip. I wish you'd have told me. Oops. Oops. What about money? Should I save it? Yes. I should have said no, actually. She's gonna start buying random crap that I don't need. We'll stream for booze. No, I don't think Sakura's into booze, no. Oh yeah, for those of you who missed it, I want to show you my custom emote. Let me show you my custom emoji. It's Albert Wesker saying GG. Look how cute! Uh-oh, Pokemon Trainer! Vloggy, I want to ask you. Ask me. Ask me. Tell me. Oh yeah, okay, so I would probably need to grab my phone because right now I've got nothing on me to check Discord or Twitter or anything. Vloggy, pull out the Master Sword. Wait, wrong game. Never mind. Ignore what I said. Alright. Tackle. I need to get Peck. Does Hoot Hoot learn Peck? I think he does, eh? You need a Gunther emoji. I have one on my Discord, Levi. Are you not on my Discord, are you? Do you have Discord? I can share you. I can post my Discord right here if you want. If you want to join. Yeah, that's why I got Hoot Hoot, because I need a flying type. And I think Hoot Hoot is cool as well. I love owls. Owls in real life, so... Oh, I got poisoned, really? I need to learn Peck. No, I never use legendaries in my team. Never, ever, ever. I will capture a legendary, probably Lugia, but I won't use him in my team. Never. Nice. Level 6. Who learned Foresight? Blech. 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 Come on, let's go, Hoot Hoot. Go back to making wrong game jokes. Alright. And he's done. Did you send it on Twitter or Discord? So I know I know where to look. All right, so I'm gonna go heal. Hoot fainted. No, you sent it on Discord. That's good. I can open Discord on my laptop real quick. Bear with me. Bear with me. What's that? No, I can. No, I don't think I can do it like that. No, I mean, I plan on making emojis, emotes with my own face like that. But I already took some pictures for my own face to make emojis like that. But of my own face. In fact, I think my next emoji will be that. I love this music. So, I'm gonna take care of this first. Tetris music. Bell sprout. Look at the green, how bright it is. The green of the bell sprout. Ah, he missed. Come on, Hoot Hoot. Yeah, it's neon green, eh? It hurts my eyes too. As soon as Hoot Hoot learns Peck, it's gonna be so much easier here. Oh, like Bork Sprout. Bark Sprout. Bell Sprout. Bork Sprout. Does he ever learn Peck? Hold on. Yes, level 11. Ah, that's quite a long way to go. Level 11 he learns Peck. Wrong game again. Alright, here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 more levels. Hey, it's Dada! Long time no see. How are you, Dada? Bruh. Bruh. Dada has a song. Once I shared it with him. Da da da. Or as I like to call him, Dodo. The Adventures of Dodo and Cloggy. Bruh. Really, bruh. Look how many badges I need to collect. I'm looking at on the left hand side of the screen. Look how many badges I need to collect. That's 16 badges I need to collect in this game. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, because this game decided to include Kanto again, so I've got Johto and Kanto. And you get to... defeated. Alright, let's go. There we go. Sway like leaves in the wind. Yeah, it's I'm trying to find Sakura. I'm trying to find ways how we can have mod chat again. Thanks to that, I'm trying to figure out how though. I think it would be a nice way to have mod chat. I miss mod chat. So I think something like that will be good again, so we can see. Oh, did he try it already? Oh. Oh, man. We've seen some lovely changes in YouTube this week. I'm happy with the way. There's still a long way to go, but it's in the right direction. Which two features did you like, Sakura? Tell me your secrets to beating Pokemon Soul Silver and what secrets? I don't know. Train. Ah, the ultra low latency, I love it as well. It's still a bit and blacklisting words. Okay, yeah. Oh, red. Oh, so you're in the final game. The final part then. Yeah, red is stuff. Nothing. You just need to keep training. Na 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 na. Boom 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 boom. Let's go. I'm still trying to think what type of fire Pokemon I'm gonna get for this game. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Unlikely that I'll get a shiny Tanner. Very unlikely. I would love to get a shiny, but once I got a shiny randomly. I was playing Pokemon Moon the first time ever when it was released last year, when it came out last year. I was streaming. I did a 12-hour stream. I was streaming it and I randomly ran into a shiny Psyduck. I freaked out. Big Red indeed, Toby. Yeah, I'm gonna get Big Red. Take your time, Sakura. No worries. I may need to heal. I don't have a healing item, eh? Yes, I have a potion. You get a boneless pizza? Alright. I love pizza. Pizza is life. Bellsprout! Once Hoothoot reaches level 11 and learns Spec, I'm gonna switch to Totodile again. No, I didn't actually, no Quillov, I didn't get the meme, no. Which is weird because I'm very familiar with memes. I love dank memes. Just this month, I did the shooting stars of myself. I did a shoot. It's on my channel. It's my featured video if you wanna check it out. All right. You have Discord or something? Yeah, I'm gonna share my Discord right now. Actually, hold on. Those of you that are in chat right now and would like to join my Discord, I'm about to share the link. There we go. Same rules apply. All right. Don't be a jerk. Don't say anything too personal. Just keep it cool, you know. We have fun over there. Everybody's invited. Everybody. Is this personal? I am Borklel. No, that's okay. It kind of is. Alright. Almost there. Oh no, PP left! God dang it! I guess I'm switching. Ouch, I forgot! Now I'm gonna go heal, and nice. Both of them reached level 10 at the same time. Oh, nice. It happened to be a Hoothoot now. That's good. Okay. Wow, I'm yawning. Alright, so I'm gonna go heal. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna go heal. Uh-oh. Ghastly! Hey Dark Shadow, welcome! Have you ever played Pokemon Game without using a starter? Yes, I used to do that when I was a kid. I was so bored of starters once, yes, I wanted to just play the game without starters. Alright. Does anybody know when the time capsule is fixed? At what point? I need the time capsule fixed because I need to get my Pokemon from there. Okay, thank you. I'll check it out afterwards. Still being adjusted, okay. I'll check it out after the stream. I'm gonna switch off the air conditioning. I'm getting cold now. Bum, 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 ba-da, bum, ba-da-da-da-da, bum. He just got trashed. You are indeed skilled as a trainer. As promised, here's your HM. But let me say this, you should treat your Pokemon better. The way you battle is far too harsh. Pokemon are not tools of war. Shut up, old man. Okay, no problem, Kulava, take your time. He claims to be the elder, but he's weak. It stands to reason. I'd never lose to fools who babble about being nice to Pokemon. I only care about strong Pokemon that can win. I really couldn't care less about weak Pokemon. Russell used an escape rope. I cannot use Tekken. And I don't think I can use Scratch either. Yes, I agree, Dark Shadow, I agree. I cannot use any of my moves. What? What is this? What is this? What? What? What's he doing? Oh. Wait, what? What? Actually, you know what? Never mind. People and Pokemon test their bonds to build a bright future together. I am the final test. Allow me to check the ties between you, your Pokemon and you. I'm gonna sneeze now. Oh man. Okay, much better. That's Sprout. Bless my face. Yeah, I mean, hopefully I learn Peck after these 3 Pokemon. Come on. This is one. Ooh, so close. Another Hoot Hoot. Well, the first Hoot Hoot actually. Let's go. Oh, come on, no criticals, come on. Oh, look how close again. Come on, we have to do this. So close. Am I gonna do this? Oh no! Ah, you suck, game. You suck. Ah. Ah, look at that! It keeps happening. It was happening to me even in Pokemon Red. Back with Pringles. Ah, nice. I was gonna buy a tube of Pringles today, but I changed my mind. Like, nah. I'll end up eating it in one sitting. Oh, man. Alright, so. Vloggy got the things. Give me my HM, please. Flash. Ba -ba -ba -ba. Alright, so. Nothing. Never mind. Let's go. It's called, not sturdy. Yeah, I think it's called sturdy, yes. I love the Totodile. Ghastly! I cannot scratch. I'm gonna get you, you sucker. Come on! Come on! Come on! Surprise! Pokemon number 3. My Pokemon number 3. Ghastly. I didn't catch the one earlier. I gave up on catching him earlier because he was a female. I wanted a male. That's why. Ghastly, the gas type Pokemon. What? Its thin body is made of gas. It can envelop an opponent of any size and cause suffocation. Alright, so... Hold on. I need to update my... my layout once again. Hold on. Oh, actually I need to find the image because I don't have an image of Ghastly. Ghastly. Sorry about that. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm gonna put another image to distract him. To distract you all, actually. So. Where'd it go? I think it saved it in downloads. Ah, come on, really? Where did it go? Alright, there it is. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Found it. There it is. Here it comes. Here it comes. Ghastly. He's cute. I think he's cute. He's not centered though. Ah! Alright, maybe that's okay. There we go. We have a Ghastly now as well. Alright. Sorry about that. But I like to have everything in order when I stream. I want everything. Leslie! Borgstly! Alright, so I got 3 Pokemon in this stream. This was a fast-paced stream. But I might not catch any Pokemon next stream though, huh? Oh, who knows? Who knows? Alright, let's go. Is there something in here that I might need to check? I forgot. It feels like there's something in here that I need to check. Pokemon you get in the trade, doesn't it? No. Time to take on the first gym leader, guys. How am I doing, stats? Oh, he has a lick. You make a lick. Alright, I'm gonna switch. Because I like them in order. 4, 10, 11. No, it's okay. It's okay, Kulov. I can actually trade. I can trade easily. Here we go. Let's go. Spearow! So, I'm gonna switch. Yeah, exactly, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll trade it myself. So, I'm gonna switch to Hoot Hoot. Yeah, exactly, that's why I caught him, Dark Shadow. That's what I caught him. Yeah, Gengar's gonna be awesome. Am I gonna fail? Oh, close. Yeah, alright, that's fine. Borgar. Maybe I can do this. Can I pull this off? Will Lick work? Nope, it doesn't affect because he's a normal type, you stupid idiot. Pokemon. Totodile. That was very noobish of me to do that. Ghastly is level 5. Alright, I'm gonna go heal, and I'll come back. Let's go. Come on! Ah, man, come on, come on, let's get hypnosis going in. Let's get the hypnosis. There we go. Nice. Pokemon Bank does not count as trading though, huh? Trading with myself, I have two 3DS. I have two 3DS, so that's how I do it. I think I'll dedicate a whole stream to just move the Pokemon from red to here. We'll see. Let's use Ghastly again. Yes, you can. Yes, you can, Kulava. Yes, you can. It was advertised in the trailer. Hoot is about to learn Peck. But if you get Pokemon Ultra Sun Ultra Moon, you will get the Celebes since you bought the Pokemon Silver game. Yeah, exactly. I should. Yeah, exactly. Yes. Am I supposed to get a code or something? I need to check how it works. There we go. Hoot learned Peck. And there we go. I'm gonna go heal just one more time, just in case. I already have 3 Pokemon. It's explained in the... I didn't see it, I was looking for it. Alright, gym battle, here we go. Falconer, I officially challenge you. Thank you, Dark. Here we go. Pichu. Hypnosis. There we go. Level 7. Can I hypnosis him as well? Ouch. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna risk it. Nord the Savage. Alright, so Peck. He's gonna thrash me. That's fine. Oh, come on. He likes his gust. He's probably gonna heal now. No! Okay, so Ghastly's gonna get some serious XP. Nice. And there we go! I got my first badge. I need to, once again, update. Where is it? There we go. So what's the badge called? Zephyr badge. Alright. What the heck did I do? Nothing. Alright. There we go. I'm just gonna shrink it a little bit. There we go. We got the first badge. Yeah, baby. I've checked. It says download. It says it's a download code, not much else. Exactly. So maybe I get an email. I don't know with the code. I don't know. I'll check. I'll check my email. What does 31 consist of? Mud slap. Actually, I think Mud Slap is really good. I teach Mud Slap to Totodile. I might remove it afterwards, but I think it's good for now. I'm gonna go heal. Hello Vloggy, we discovered something about the egg. My assistant is at the Pokemon Center in Violet City. Could you talk to him, please? Okay, click, boop, boop. I don't like having the egg, but I'm gonna hatch the egg because I think the egg gives me the experience share, right? I'm gonna see if the... Yeah, they are awesome. Yeah, they are awesome. But I'm not paying money for themes. I never pay money for themes or avatars. I'm sorry, the time capsule is still being adjusted. Alright, still not done. Okie dokie. Oh, this guy spins, I think. Yeah, I knew it. No! I don't want to follow you. Maybe this guy has something for me? I don't know, it feels like I need to visit somewhere. PG. Really? It's a bonus? Oh my goodness, I need to check. Because I bought the game. Alright, so I go down now? Look at Sudoudo. I don't need to do this. This is useless. I don't need to do this either. American Seed. That's awesome, Quilava. So I'll check again, because I need to find out how to get my Celebi and my theme. It's not gonna do any good, so Pokemon Hoothoot. I'm gonna stream for another 15 minutes and then go to sleep. It's almost 3 AM here. Peck. I got silver because I like Lugia more. This is the version in which we get Crobat, yeah? I think. Agains. Do you stream a lot? Well, I stream like 3 times a week, I think. Sometimes I try to make it 4. But yeah, I try to stream as much as I can. I just got partnered on YouTube, so I try my best. Borkbat. Borkans! Hey, I are back! Welcome back, Sakura. Welcome back. Do you see anything different? Do you see anything different from my Pokemon team since you left? Huh? I caught a new Pokemon. Alright, let's go. Oh, look how cute Nidoran looks. You still have your Game Boy? That's fantastic. Let's Pokemon battle. Can we get a link cable from your country to mine? I'm gonna switch Pokemon. This is gonna take forever. I have two Game Boys actually. The original Game Boy, the very original Game Boy. I tested all my Game Boys about 2 weeks ago to see that all they work fine. I tested all my handheld consoles, my Game Gear, my Game Boys. I have about like 8 Game Boys. 2 originals, 2 colors. I have 1 Pocket Game Boy or Mini Game Boy, whatever it's called. Then I have 2 Game Boy Advanced. I have a few, but I collect consoles. I love. It's my hobby. It's my addiction. I gave away a bunch of Totodiles, shiny Totodiles. I make giveaways every now and then on my YouTube channel, so if you want, if you stay tuned, sometime this month I'm gonna give away a bunch of shinies again. And they're always starters most of the time. There we go. Okay, one of these guys is Toby. One of these guys here is Toby. I don't know which one, hold on. I think this is Toby. No, this is not Toby. No, this is not Toby. Oh no! No! You son of a biscuit! Oh, come on, seriously? Ah, dude. Uncool, man. Like this dog. Hold on, because I'm losing my patience right now. I think he is. That's what it feels like. Oh, come on, man. Look at that. That took forever. Is this gonna be a repeat? Oh my goodness. Just kill me, get it over with. Man, that bing bong is gonna drive me crazy. My goodness. Now I'm angry. Now I'm angry. As if. He's gonna try, huh? Okay. I cannot heal. Okay, I think this is Toby. I think this guy over here is Toby. Hold on. I think this is Toby. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is. Fisher Toby wants to battle. Magikarp. There he is, Toby. Ah, he's asleep, I forgot. Oh, look at that! When he splashes, even his status bar splashes with him. That's so funny. Look at that! Come on, frickin' wake up! Not my carps! Alright, here we go. Oh, he got paralyzed. Look at that. Isn't that weird? Okay, so Toby's first Pokemon is down. Toby's second Pokemon, another Magikarp. I think it's a bug. I don't think it's meant to go up and down with the splash. Toby's third Pokemon is a Magikarp. This is Toby, for sure. I love the 8-bit music, especially this music. It's really good music. It's well made. Ah, it's level 15 Magikarp. This has to be Toby. Paralyzed? Yeah, that's why I said it's Toby, because Toby loves the carbs. Not carbs, carbs. Me personally, I'm on a low carb diet. Next game I'll be playing after this, we're discussing my next game, will be Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. It's gonna take forever, but I want Ghastly to take him out. Come on! There we go. Nice. And Toby's final Pokemon is another Magikarp. Toby love carps. Dark. Almost there. Alright. There we go, finally. That took forever. Oh no! Godin, 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 Godin. Keep licking, Ghastly. Lick away, my friend, lick. Pokemon. Sakura. You like that, huh? Carps learn bounce, really? I didn't know that. I'm gonna check real quick. I don't know if you're trolling or not, but I'm gonna check. No, there's no bounce. Flail. There's flail. It's flail. Let's go. Ah, here we go. She's gonna start buying me stuff. Oh. I need to go heal though, huh? Ah, paralyzed. Okay, let me just train them up to level 15, all of them. Uh-oh. Okay. GG. I'm gonna have to go heal. How would you like to have this tasty, nutritious slowpoke tail? For you right now, just... let me say yes, yes. I thought kids these days were loaded. Alright, let's go heal. How's everything going with the egg? This is a good water type as well, huh? Excellent. Ekans. Bellsprout. Borkans. Young green thingy. Sakura, play Pokemon. Stream Pokemon. Please, I'll watch you. Does anybody know what I'm doing right now? Missing no. I'm searching. Toby, I'm searching, yes. But I think having 3 Pokemon is already enough for the stream. Maybe we'll save it for next game, for next stream. We'll save it for the next stream. I won't say. We'll save it for next stream because I already got caught 3 Pokemon in one stream. It's gonna be a bit too much. Ouch, critical. Nice. Exactly, I don't want that. Okay, Hoot Hoot, you're up. Nah, yeah, I've never done that. I never caught all the Pokemon in a game. Never. I only catch what I need. I'm not gonna switch, I don't feel like doing that anymore. I remember when I was playing this game as a kid. It was emulated on my computer and people used to be like, how do you have it on your computer? Where did you get that from? It was a big deal back then, finding games, emulators on the internet. People didn't know how to search or stuff. So I used to make copies of this game on floppy disks for everyone. I used to zip them. Man, those were the days. I even installed a copy of this game on the school library computer. On the computer of the school library. And I used to play it. Alright. That's enough. That's enough for this stream actually. I'm gonna go back, save, and call it, and continue tomorrow. Yeah, I want to play more, but it's 3:13 AM right now, so I need to get some sleep. And we are saved. I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for the raid. And thank you for the new subscribees. And I will catch you all tomorrow. Well, it's already tomorrow here, so in a couple of hours probably. I don't know. In about 9 hours? Thank you so much, guys. I will see you next time. Ciao.